Future continuous tense in marketing, describing ongoing marketing campaigns. The future continuous tense, also known as the future progressive tense, is a grammatical structure that describes actions or events that will be ongoing at a particular time in the future. In marketing, this tense is often used to convey the idea of ongoing campaigns or promotions that will be in progress in the future. By using the future continuous tense, marketers can create a sense of anticipation and excitement about upcoming initiatives. Let's explore some examples of how this tense is used in marketing. Example: next month, we will be launching a new product line that caters to tech-savvy consumers. In this example, the future continuous tense is used to describe the ongoing action of launching a new product line that will be taking place in the future. By using this tense, the marketer emphasizes the continuous nature of the campaign and hints at the long-term impact it will have. Example: throughout the holiday season, we will be running a series of promotions to reward our loyal customers. Here, the future continuous tense is used to describe a series of ongoing promotions that will be happening over an extended period of time. This conveys to customers that they can expect ongoing rewards and incentives for their loyalty. Example: by the end of the year, we will be expanding our digital marketing efforts to reach new demographics. In this example, the future continuous tense is used to indicate a long-term plan to increase digital marketing efforts and target new demographics. This implies that the company's marketing efforts will be ongoing and evolving in the future. Example: starting